There are no difference between Krishna and Ramachandra. Both is called Paramatma Tattva. Paramatma Bhagavan. So, but Hanumanji Nishtha is one. Ramachandra. This. In the same way, Lakshmi Devi, her Nishtha with her husband Narayan. So, her Nishtha is there. Those sisters' child. This is the. But when she heard the glories of Vaikuntha, glories of Vrindavan, and because Krishna topmost Leela, that is called Rasa Leela. So Lakshmi Devi, she wants to enter Ras dance. Lakshmi chahe Lakshmi dehe rase praveshite. Lakshmi Devi, she want to enter in Ras dance with her Lakshmi form. She does not give up her opulence form. Very nice. But Krishna says no. You have to take the form of Gopi form. Gopi Dhyani. One who enter in Ras dance need is what? Gopi form, Gopi Dhyani. Without Gopi Dhyani, understand? What is that? The body of Gopi. No one can enter Ras dance. And only Gopi Dhyani, you also cannot perform Ras dance with Krishna. You have to take birth in Braj. The Om of Braj Gopi. This is the process. Gopi Dhyani Sarir and Gopi Braj. Then your name will become nice name. Shivji, he got the Gopi body. Jogmayasi gave, Purnamasi Devi gave. But Purnamasi Devi did not give name. Also not his her husband name, and village name, everything need also there. You understand this way? So all the Gopi there bitterly beat to Shivji and kicked out. Only Gopi form also you not enter Ras dance. Need this Naam, Roop, Gun, Leela, and Ekadash Bhav. Ekadash Bhav means 11 mood and Pancha Dasha. Pancha means 5 stages. Shravan Dasa, Smaran Dasa, Apan Dasa, Bhavapan Dasa, and Prema Sampatti Dasa. You read what is called jewels of the heart, everything very clearly. So need this way. Jayavadharma Bhaktivinoda Thakur explain also. This is the process also. And also need Parakyata Bhav. Parakyata Bhav jane? Braj transcendental Paramurma. Lakshmi, she did not accept all these rules. But she wants, how possible? But Lakshmi, she is crying. No, I want, why you want? Then Krishna told, okay. Lakshmi said, Lakshmi body you cannot enter Ras dance. So Krishna took Lakshmi Devi in his chest in the form of one golden line that is called Sarna Rekha. You understand? What did he say? Lakshmi Devi, she is staying in the chest of Krishna in the form of golden line that is called Sarna Rekha. Understand? Huh? Are do bhajan and sadhana. Chant holy names, listen. Then you understand. Huh? Need also listen again and again. Chanting holy names, then you understand. Huh? Understand? Krishna's one very, what is it called? Strong, is it called desire. Huh? Krishna, he is saying, Ami gop jati gopi vina onne nakari angikar. Krishna says, I am cowherd man. Eh? So only I accept that gopis, those who are belong to cowherd dynasty. Eh? This is the process. Eh? कृष्ण कहे आमी गोप जाति गोपी बिना अन्य नाकरी अंगीकार. If you have to take birth in Prakat Vrindavan, understand? When Krishna performed this Leela, Prakat Vrindavan, in the womb of Braj Gopis, then you will get the Gopi form. Then automatically your Abhimanan se, ego will come. I am Gopi. Now you are not Gopi. You are Gopi. Gopi, understand? Cauliflowers. Everybody making sabji and eat. Nice sabji. You are not Gopi. You are not Gopi. Now you are Gopi. So don't you think you are Gopi? So saying the Krishna kahe ami gop jati gopi vina anya nakari angikar. This is the process. So this is the process. Lakshmi Devi, not possible. Actual Lakshmi Devi and Radhika is same tattva actually. Siddhanta is same. Krishna is one. So in the same way, Srimati Radhika, she manifested in her many forms also. So one day I told, Srimati Radhika's 3 forms in there. How many? 3. Where is that? Are Braje Gopigan. Srimati Radhika, she herself all the Braj Gopis. Lalita, Vishakha, who are they? Srimati Radhika herself. Bahu kamta bina nahi rasir ullas. Without many consort, Krishna is not happy. Though Srimati Radhika, she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna. But without many consorts, and Krishna is not happy. So for this because Srimati Radhika herself manifests many forms. Now 3 forms is there. Braje Gopigan. That is the incarnation of Srimati Radhika. As like Krishna's incarnation, many. Understand? In the same way, Srimati Radhika's incarnation in Braj Gopigan. Or Dwaraka, Mahisiya. Mahisiya means the queens of Dwaraka. That is, they also are the incarnation of Srimati Radhika. Or Vaikuntha, Lakshmigan. In Vaikuntha, all the Lakshmis, actually they are not different from Srimati Radhika. Siddhanta is one. So this Leela is going on this. For Lakshmi Devi, Lakshmi Tattva is saying in this way, Lakshmi Devi, she wants to enter Rasa. He had Lakshmi form. But Krishna told not possible. So then Krishna, he took Lakshmi Devi in his chest in the form of golden line, Sarna Rekha. Understand? This is the point. They have another Puran also, very nice, beautiful Katha is there. So Lakshmi Devi, now she is the consort of Krishna in the form of golden line. Then Saraswati, she also performed hard austerities. Then she told to Krishna, "Oh, you accept Lakshmi Devi and what is your golden line in your chest. So you give me also shelter your lotus feet." Then Saraswati, she many years performed hard austerities. Another Puran explained. Then Krishna said, "Okay, I will accept you." So Saraswati, she is now the form of flute. Actually, this flute is that Saraswati. Saraswati, understand? Who is called the presiding deities of knowledge? Gyan ke Adhishthati. Different Puranas discuss this. Understand? So, very nice Katha is there. So, Lakshmi Devi is there. Lakshmi Devi in the form of golden line, and Saraswati, she is the form of flute.
Krishna has many flutes.
Which flute? How many flutes do you know? A flute is one, but different name. Different there. Mood is there. Sanmohini or Sarvakarshani, the name of the fruits. These are according to the pastimes. Understand? Sarva Bhuta. Krishna, he attracts all the living entities with his flute. That flute, his name is called Sarva Bhuta Akarshani. This is Mahananda, what is called? Mahananda, no? Yeah, this. You can read this book also, the coming, about the Bangsi. What is called? Sapta Sindhuvati Radha. And Bangsi's Katha is also there. Krishna performs his Leela, different kalpa, different stories also. This way. Krishna, he plays the flute, different kinds of flute. Actually, flute, different flutes. One flute is called 9. What is called?
Holes.
Holes. Navachidra. So different names also. So Bangsi this. So sometimes gopis they criticize to what is called fruit. Understand? Bangsi or what is his name? 3 names, no? Bangsi, Benu and Murali. Bangsi, Benu and Murali. The 3 names also. But different kalpa, different Leela is also there. So gopis sometimes they criticize, "Hey Bangsi, you are male person." Bangsi this also male, and according to Sanskrit grammar, that is called masculine gender. So sometimes gopis they criticize to Bangsi. Say, "Bangsi, how you are staying in the lips of our beloved Krishna and drinking the sweet nectar from Krishna's lotus, Krishna's lips." Venugita also explained this. They criticize. And sometimes gopis, they are very humble. Glorifies to Bansi. Hey Bansi, how you are great fortune. You are always staying in the middle of the lips of our beloved Krishna. That is called Adhar Ashta. Understand? This is gopis, they are Mahabhav stage, They are saying this. How Krishna. So Bansi is staying in the middle of the lips of Krishna. That is called upper lips and lower lips. Lower lips. That is called his what? Adhar and Osta. What is it? Adhar. Adhar means lower lips. Osta, this got this one. Upper lip. So now Bansi is staying in where? In the middle. Understand? For this regard, gopis, according to their mood, they are saying, oh, how we are great fortune. Krishna's two lips, Adhar Osta. In the middle, Bansi is saying. Actual gopis in their mood saying, oh, you are great fortune. Adhar Osta as like the very nice, beautiful pillow. As like king, emperor. Is sitting on his throne. And two sides is what? Very nice, beautiful, soft pillow. Here is no pillow. Understand? So Krishna's two lips. Adhar and Osta, Bansi is in. So gopis are saying this mood. So how we are great fortune. Not only this also. Krishna also fanning to you. Fanning, understand? When Krishna plays the flute, his, what is called, eyelids up and down. So this is what the fanning. Look at this. Not only this, and Krishna also massage your feet. When Krishna plays the flute, then the fingers very softly and gently moving or not. So this is called massaging. Look at this. How is going on this? This is like it. Actually, this is the mood of gopis. And they also saying. And again they also another mood coming. Sometimes Dakkhinna Bhav and sometimes Vamma Bhav. Understand it? Hare Krishna. What do you say? Sometimes right wings mood and sometimes left wings mood. Look at this. When the left wings mood, they chastise to Bansi. The left wings mood, they chastise to Bansi. Hey Bansi, you are male person. The male person cannot drink the sweet nectar lips of our beloved Govinda. Krishna's Adharamrita. Male person cannot drink. Who is drinking? The Krishna's sweet nectar is coming from his lips. Only gopis. Gopis, this modi here. So why you are saying? Well, you are a dry bamboo stick. Understand? And also you are male person. You cannot drink. Just you also showing to us. That means you are teasing, what do you call it? Teasing to us, showing, oh, I am drinking. Actually, you are not drinking. How possible? Suska Basa Khanda. You are the piece of dry bamboo. So how possible to drink the sweet nectar from our beloved Krishna's. Not possible. They are saying this. Gopis sometimes they get daina and sometimes irsa. Irsa, understand? Irsa means jealousy. Prem is going on this way. And daina, harsa. Daina means very humble. Harsa means so much, what is called? Astonishment. And they are coming this month. Sometimes they are very happy. Oh, how is this? Actually, that is called Kilikinchid Bhav. Understand? You may not understand. Vingsati Alankar, 20 types of ornaments is there. And Bhav, Hela, Kinchid, Biluk, Bikop, these types of this. If I tell you need, first I have to read Ujjalamani Grantha, what is the meaning of Bhav, Hela, Kilikinchit, Bikop, that this and that. Then you understand. But simple I can understand. Gopis, they have to criticize. Sometimes they are very humble, glorify to Bangsi. And sometimes they are very jealousy with Bangsi. They criticize. When the frame creates these things, it's a love means is what this way. Love always is what creates the jealousy. Love creates the humbleness, daina. Love creates the so much happiness, so much also astonishment. As like Srimati Radhika she told, Hantaya Udri Abala Haridaso Varjo Jad Rama Krishna Charana Parsa Pramodam Manang Tonati Sahagopaganai Paniya Sujavasa Kandara Kandamulai. Actually, this verse recited by Srimati Radhika herself, Venugita. Hantaya Adri. Hanta means so much astonishment coming, so much happiness coming. They are different meanings. So, oh my girlfriend Sakhis, look how Giriraj Govardhan is the great person. And his Giriraj Govardhan, he serves our beloved Govinda. We cannot serve. This is his her daina. Daina, understand? Humility. So, Hantaya Adri Avala Haridaso Varjo Jat Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramoda. When Krishna climbed on the top of the mountain of Giriraj, then Krishna is very nice, beautiful, what is called? Soft, reddish color, that sole, understand? Sole of her feet. When touch the Giriraj Govardhan, then Giriraj Govardhan completely intoxicated. Look this. So, Hantaya Udri Abala Haridaso Varjo Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramoda Manang Tanati Sahagopagani Paniya Sujavasa Kandara Kandamuda. This is the mood of Srimati Radhika. Sometimes this is called daina, or sometimes they are very angry, jealous mood coming. Perfect love means also create these things. Understand? In this material world, sometimes wife and husband are quarreling or not? Quarreling. They are quarreling. Actually, this is not the quarrel. This is coming from love. That's material love. But too much what is called extreme quarrel, then split. Material quarrel is good, but extreme quarrel, then finish. Then split. Then saying, I will not stay with you. I will not stay no more with you. Are with you go, no problem. Then saying is what? I beat you, I hit you, then I kill you also. But transcendental world, not this. They love. Aslisava padaratang pinastama madarsunat kartuva jata data va vidodatu lampato mat prana natastu sa eva napara. Aslisava padaratang pinastama मद और दर्शनात् कर दूंगा यथा तथा विदधातु लंपटो मत प्राणनाथस्तु सैव नापरा श्रीमती राधिका सिंह सही कृष्ण लीव मी और कृष्ण एम्ब्रेस मी नो हब हाउ इज द लव एंड दिस इज द हाईएस्ट लव प्रेम इन दिस वर्ल्ड इन दिस मटेरियल वर्ल्ड नॉट पॉसिबल दिस So, prem creates these things. Sometimes jealousy mood, sometimes what is called daino, harsha, daino. These things, very humbleness come. So Lakshmi Devi, she has love and affection with her husband Narayan. Understand? She has nishtha with her husband Narayan. Understand? For this regard, she does not accept Krishna's all the rules. How possible give up my husband? I am married to Gopa. Krishna told, if you enter my residence, you have to hidden away. First you marry with one Gopa. Take birth in the Gopa and Gopidya. Then you marry with one Gopa. Lakshmi Devi told no, not possible. Because Lakshmi Devi are heart nishtha with Narayan. So how possible is it? Or Parakya Bhav, Lakshmi Devi does not want to Parakya Bhav. Karma mode, not possible. So for this regard, this Parakya Bhav not manifested in Vaikuntha, not Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, only Golok Vrindavan and only heart of the Braj Gopis. Understand? So saying Jai Jalo Rasa Sarva Rasa Sar Parakiya Bhavijata Brajete Prachar. Parakiya Bhav only Braj, Vrindavan, Golok Vrindavan. This is the so
Narada Muni. It says that Narada Muni is Narada Gopi.
Narada Gopi.
In the former Srivas Thakur also, he is Madhumankal also. He is Madhumankal. And is Narada Muni by Kunta also.
When one person can be many also incarnation inside.
Narada Muni
is one form, Narad form in Vaikuntha. One form in Gopis, Narada Gopis.
But it's never the mood, different mood. Sakya and Madhurya and Aishwarya, interfere each other.
No, you try to understand those who are eternal associate of Krishna. Krishna is Nitya Parikar. They can manifest many forms according to their mood. Hey. So which is going down? Or this? Oi! Yeah. Yeah, we.
You can come here. Ok, Gurudev, ok.
Huh?
Tinha um pombo em cima do Gurudev.
What did he say?
Mother Nara Munia different.
Are difference no person is same. According to the Ras, Madhurya, they form different form. Huh? Krishna is one or not? But he manifests many forms. Radha ji, Srimati Radhika ji is one, manifests many forms. In the same way, Narad Rishi, he is not Jiva Tattva.
Não é de cantar.
Try to understand, one is called Jiva Tattva and is called Parikar Tattva. Eh? Those who are the eternal associate of Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar. They, according to the mood, they can manifest in many forms. And doing this Leela also. Because our mind always very set up. Material conception. But we have to come in the transcendental conception. You understand? Conditioned soul, their mind always is set up. What's set up? Material. And with our material brain, we want to understand. So many questions is coming. But when come in the platform of Bhav and Prema Dasa, then transcendental conception will come. And doing this Leela also this. Understand? Srimati Radhika, she serves to Krishna all the mellows, rasas. And who is Nanda Yashoda? Vatsalabha. Actually, Srimati Radhika herself. If you tell, you cannot understand how possible, how possible. Are Ras Madhurya is there. Because we are thinking this body, material conception, but they get transcendental. Vatsalya mood, Srimati, Mother Yashoda, she is called the embodiment of Vatsalya. Vatsalya is the Murta Pratik. Nanda Yashoda, they are this way. But we want to understand according our material conception, Jara Vichar. Because our brain automatically what? Set up already. Very difficult to also to change. But we do bhajan. So far, when do bhajan and sadhana suddha satta will come. And then on the platform, Sandhini, then Sambhit and Bhadini will come. Then understand this. Jyovedam always saying this way. Everything you cannot understand and with your knowledge. Krishna's mercy will come, then understand. Just to listening. Jyovedam is saying, if I tell you, you cannot understand also. If you glorify, also cannot understand. If you listen, also cannot understand. Nayang Atma Pravachana Labbo no Medhoya no Bohuna Suteno Jame Visha Brinteno Labbate says Atma Viprunati Tanusham. Because the transcendental things, when Krishna's mercy will come, then we realize. And Krishna revealed to your heart everything. Now we are listening. Understand? And pray to Krishna, Krishna will manifest. Because just give an example, a red flower. What is the red? Red, this is what? Adjective. Or flowers, that is called noun. Red flowers. Flower is red. What is the red? If you not see the red things, very difficult to explain. You understand this? So in the same way, do bhajan and sadhan, then it will be. Our Goswami is Naradiya Gopi. Ujjwal Nirmani Grantha, in the commentary of Vishwanath Chakravarti Narad Rishi, he performed hard austerities in Kusum Sarovar. Then he received this form, Naradiya Gopi. Actually, his ordinary form is the Mul. The principal form is Naradiya Gopi. But showing to us the message, how to attend this. Bhajan and Samdev. They are Naradishi Nitya Siddha Parikar. By doing this Leela, showing to us. Even the jivas have the potential you have. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhya Kabu Noy Sarvanadi Suddha Chitte Karo Uday. And in the one small mustard seed. Mustard seed? In the mustard seed, everything is inside there. How many leaves, how many roots, and how many, everything is there. But you cannot see. If you crush the mustard seed, you cannot see anything. How will you see? When you put the water, then first roots coming, then plant coming, then very nice, beautiful, big plants and flowers, everything will come. So inside is there, potential is there. In the same way, when Jiva is manifested from Shakti, marginal potency of Lord, you have everything. This is not coming from outside. Understand? With the sadhu sangha, that will be manifest. So saying Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhya Kobhu Noy Sravanadi Suddha Chitte Karo Uday. Uday means manifest. If anything is there, manifest. You have nothing, how possible manifest? Jata Tusava Ghatinam. Tus means hux. If you humming the hux, get some grains or not? You understand? No. Because inside there no rice or no anything. But if you take the grains which inside there, as like what is called paddy. Paddy, understand? Rice. Then all the husks go out, then you can see. Rice coming. Rice has three covers is there. With the outer, that is called hard cover. Then inside the rice, also one layer is there. That you are eating, it requires the brown rice. You are saying what is it called? Brown rice also, the covering the layers. And in the machine, they also, and what is it called? Remove the skin. Then fresh rice comes. So in the same way, Jivatmas, this is called the gross body. Or inside, that is called subtle body, Sukshma Sari. Or inside, Atma Sari. This is the person. So Sanak Sanghita explain this. Sanak Sanghita explain this way. Regarding Dubhajan and sadhan and absorb, then will manifest. This is the process of it. You have everything. What kinds of rush, mellows, what kinds of form, everything is there. You cannot change. Understand? So you have everything. So Jiva Tattva, Parikar Tattva, not same. Sometimes people, they also are mixed. Parikar Tattva, they manifest from Sarv Shakti Prakash. A Jiva is manifested from Krishna's Jiva Shakti, Tasha Shakti. Or another is called? Vivinangsa Shakti. This one. Many names. So, you have everything, just manifest. Chanting holy name. Gaur Premanand, chalo. Now, 8:45. Take Mahaprasad. Jai Jai Shri Ram. Oh.
What's Grantha has the lost narrative?